3859 33rd Avenue Southwest. Date is November 7th, 2022. Making this recording from the 4-inch diameter cleanout here at the kind of near the door of the home. Pushed all the way down the line as far as I'm able to push the camera. We're down in a common shared section of the sewer line here. I'm going to pull back from here and get a look at this line. Coming back into a section of sewer liner here. This is not installed by Bob Oates. This was a different material than what Bob Oates uses. Alright, we're coming out of the shared section now and back into a section of SDR35 PVC and then back into the 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner that Bob Oates installed. So here is that liner. That's where the end of the Bob Oates work was. We come up that liner. We're back into a section of PVC here. This is the Schedule 40 PVC that we installed. And back into the 4-inch diameter pipe liner again. Then back into our section of SDR35 PVC again. Back up the pipe, and there's the clean out. End the recording there.